Run like rain. When fire chases,
Run like rain. When fire chases, who goes there? Who is that? Hello.
A lot of us are idealists at birth, with big dreams to change the world. Overhaul the society with sweeping changes. But as we grow older, reality hits hard and we hit upon the truth. We can't really change the world, only work on our shortcomings. External change depends on countless factors beyond one's control. In contrast, personal change is immediate and achievable. By improving one's thoughts, actions, and character, a person can create a ripple effect that may influence others. Meaningful impact begins within. True transformation starts not by fixing the world, but by becoming a better version of oneself. I might add, through the expressions of the Spirit.
run like rain.